Hey, today we're gonna talk about psychology of music therapy.
Does music make you feel better?
Here's the outline. We're going to talk about the definition of music therapy, its techniques, and where it is practiced.
Music therapy in Egypt.
Benefits of music therapy,
Limitations of music therapy.
and finally future of music therapy in Egypt. What is music therapy? Music therapy is a technique of complementary medicine that utilizes the power of music prescribed in a skilled manner by trained therapists. It also is based on engagement in musical activities.
How? Dancing to music, singing, playing an instrument, listening to music, making music either by composition or improvisation, and finally by guided imagery.
Where? This type of therapy is often used in hospitals, schools, correctional facilities, rehabilitation centers, nursing homes, and finally in hospices.
Musical therapy in Egypt. Music has always been seen as a healing force for a very long time. The Egyptians believed that Akhenaten was able to cure illness of the mind through music and song, and even music therapy was used in Egyptian temples. The hospital of Kalawon practiced music therapy by separating the patients in single rooms from other patients in order to listen to music.
Benefits of music therapy. Music can be beneficial for anyone, although it can be used therapeutically for people who have physical, emotional, social, cognitive deficits, and psychological ones. Even those who are healthy can use music to relax, reduce stress, relieve pain, and improve their mood. Depending on the type and style of sound, music can either sharpen mental activity or assist in relaxation.
Alzheimer is a disease that can be improved by music therapy. Dementia refers to a loss of cognitive function. Alzheimer is a form of dementia. Cognitive functions that may be affected by dementia include decision making, judgment, memory, thinking, reasoning, and verbal communication. Dementia may also result in behavioral and personality changes depending on the area of the brain affected. In older adults with Alzheimer's, music therapy has been found to reduce aggressive or agitated behavior, reduce symptoms of dementia, improve mood, and improve cooperation with daily tasks, such as bathing. Music therapy may also decrease the risk of heart or brain disease in patients. Alzheimer patient may be able to tap a beat or sing lyrics to a childhood song. Music provides a way to connect even after verbal communication has become difficult. Also, elderly people who play a musical instrument are more physically and emotionally fit as, as they age than others. A recent study shows that patients can recall memories and emotions and have enhanced mental performance after singing. Finally, music boosts brain activity in dementia patients, and musical aptitude and appreciation are two of the last remaining abilities in dementia patients.
Autism is also a disease that can be cured by music therapy. Autism is a brain disorder that is associated with a wide range of developmental problems, especially in communication and social interaction. Autism is classified as a type of autism spectrum disorder that is categorized by unusual repetitive behaviors. People who have autism spectrum disorders often show a heightened interest and response to music. This may aid in the teaching of verbal and nonverbal communication skills and in establishing normal developmental processes. Music therapy has enabled some autistic children to relate to others and have improved learning skills and help the children improve self-expression and stabilize their mood and their communication capabilities.
Limitations of music therapy. Music therapy generally produces positive results, but it's not recommended as a standalone treatment for serious medical and psychiatric issues. The benefit of particular type of music will often depend on an individual's preferences and his condition, and some musical form may actually cause agitation.
Future of music therapy in Egypt. It's important to note that there is not an academic institute in Egypt that gives a scientific degree in music therapy. Also in Egypt, there are not independent centers or hospitals specializing in treatment with music therapy. However, now the Egyptian Ministry of Health are seeking to send a large number of physicians abroad to attain the new skills of treatment, especially in music therapy.
Thank you.